All right. If you have this problem with your oil pressure, you see what it's doing? It don't work. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna fix it, okay? I'm gonna show you what tools you need and how to do it. So I'm gonna turn off my truck right now, and I'll turn on the truck again. As you can see, look, it doesn't work. So that part is behind there. This is just a clip-on. Look at that. Hold on to that, just like that. You see how dirty this is? If you want something to clean your engine real good, this will work pretty good. Look, just clean all that right now. Look, that makes it look like brand new plastic. Alright, so I'm gonna show you an easy way how to do this. It's not difficult. This part that we're gonna change, it's up there in the back, okay? So anyways, there's a little clip on there. And I'm gonna show you how to take off that clip too. I'm gonna show you the easy way where you ain't gotta struggle. So anyways, long story short, the first thing you wanna start with, you see this hose right here? If you just move it to the side, right on top of that, just like this, just so you can see back there. That's good enough right there.
Now you're going to the engine oil pressure sensor. All you need is a socket to take it off and unclip the top wire. Look, this is the sensor here. This is the way it looks complete. Now you see this top black piece, unclip that, grab a socket, put it on the sensor and twist it off.
And then all you do is come with the tools. Just put something together like this. So you can put it under like that, and this can twist, you know, and then get your long extension right there, and then do what you gotta do, and it comes off. That's it. So now we gotta put this in there. If you wanna see how it looks, I'll show you right now. There goes the sensor right here. Old one and the new one. So we'll take off this cap right here real quick, just like that. You see this yellow thing right here? Take that piece off, put it on this one.
Just like this. Now grab this new sensor and put it back on your engine, screw it on right in there, and then gonna grab a socket to tighten it up again. And once you're done, then you clip on the clip on top.
All right, there he goes. It's clipped under already. This nipple here and that nipple there goes there, and the other one goes right here.